Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to be covering how to add fractions with common denominators. So we're going to take 4 steps in order to do this. We're going to check our denominators and I'll tell you why here in a second. We're going to add our numerator, keep our denominator the same, and then simplify if needed. We're going to go through 4 examples together to get this done. So let's jump right into number 1, where we have 3/8 plus 2/8. So the first step we take is we're going to check our denominators. So we're just checking if they are the same number. And in this case, they are the same number. They both are 8, so we can just start adding. So to add, we're going to do this by adding the numerators. So we're adding 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Equals 5. So, and our denominator stays the same. So this exactly will be our final answer of the first example. We didn't have to simplify this because it already is in its simplest form. It didn't have any common factors we could use to simplify it any further. So let's go to our second example. For our second example, we have 5/12 plus 4/12. So again, first step we're going to take is we're going to check our denominators. Our denominators are the same. So now we can start by adding the numerators. So we're going to do 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 equals 9. And the denominator stays the same. Well, for this one, we can simplify. So we're going to divide our fraction by the largest or greatest common factor both numbers have. So we're going to divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3, and 12 divided by 3 equals 4. And now we have simplified this fraction, and this will be our final answer, 3/4. Now let's go over to our third example. For our third example, we have 7/10 plus 1/10. So first step we're going to take is we're going to check our denominators. And they are the same number, so we can start adding our numerators. So we're going to do 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 equals 8, and our denominator stays the same. Now we are going to simplify. Again, to simplify, we're going to take our biggest common factor of both numbers and divide. So the biggest common factor of both numbers is 2. So we're going to divide both of them by 2. So 8 divided by 2 and 10 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4, and 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So this will be our final simplified answer. So now let's go over to our last example. For our last example, we have 11/15 plus 2/15. So again, what we're going to do first is we're going to check our denominators. And they both are 15, so this is correct. Now let's go over to the second step where we add our numerators, I mean. So we're going to do 11 plus 2. 11 plus 2 equals 13. And our denominator stays the same. For this one, we don't have any common factor we can use to simplify, so this just will be our final answer, 13/15. So this was basically the video, guys. I hope this treated you as a little bit of a refresher, or just have taught you a new thing about adding fractions. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a question in the comments if you have any, and as always, this was Mr. Mathz, and I'll see you guys in the next video.